Hello everybody and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee. Today I'm going to be replacing the blade on my Fiskars Powergear2. They're great loppers. These are my favorite. They'll cut anything. And this is my other pair that has the bad blade. It's all chewed up. And I just went ahead and got a replacement blade from Fiskars. They have a great website. Lots of good information, and you just enter your model number and you go order a new blade. This one was like, I think $9 for the Powergear2, a couple bucks for shipping, so it's well worth it. All you need is a wrench.
Try to make it all by myself. I told you I didn't need no help, but now, baby, now I see. I'm standing here so lonely, and I'm crying, baby, 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 yeah. Honey, 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 yeah. Try to make it all by myself. I told you I didn't need no help, but now, baby, now I see. I'm standing here so lonely, and I'm crying, baby, 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 yeah. Honey, 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 yeah.
Honey, I don't wanna be lonely.
Baby, 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 yeah. Honey, 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 yeah. Baby.